Hey kindergarten families, this is Mrs. Battles again. I wanted to send you this video talking about the different resources online on the Math Learning Center website. So if you go to this website, you can download free math apps, and the apps really go with the content that I am going to be teaching. This first one that I'm going to be teaching with today is using the Geo Board app, which I would highly recommend with the next few lessons that I'm going to be teaching. But there's tons of awesome ones. Fractions, math clock, vocabulary cards, money pieces, number frames, which I used in my past lesson, a number line, number pieces, a number rack, and pattern shapes. So I'm going to talk about more specifically the Geo Board app and the pattern shape app today, because those are going to be the most relevant to the lessons I'm going to be teaching upcoming. So if you go to the Geo Board app, you can pick a Geo board to use with your child to build shapes. So you are going to open the web app on my computer, but of course if you want to download on the App Store or Chrome Store, go for it. So here's how it appears originally. These are the rubber bands. They're supposed to mimic rubber bands to build the shapes. So a triangle, square, rectangle. Clicking and dragging is the name of the game for a Geo board here. There's also really large Geo boards, circular Geo boards. These are really great for making triangles, such as this. But really just having the kids play around with it and to build different shapes is awesome. And I'm going to be sending home some activities for the kids to build specific things on a Geo board. So this is a great resource for that. These tools help shade in your shapes if you want them. These ones make lines. These ones number each vertex on the Geo board, but totally unnecessary. I would recommend the kids stick to the square rectangle Geo board in this case. The activities that I'm going to be sending home work with this square one. This is a drawing tool. This helps you delete. This helps you write equations, but mostly the kids should just be clicking and dragging the rubber bands to try to build the shapes we have. So really cool resource here. The other resource I wanted to show you more specifically for this video is the pattern shape app. So if you click on there, open the web app for me, they're going to have all these cool shape pieces that we use in class. They have learned the names of all of these shapes. We call this one the hexagon. This is a rhombus, trapezoid. This is another type of rhombus. This is a square. This is a triangle. This one's actually not in the set that we have, but this is a right triangle or an isosceles triangle because it has a right angle here and two of the sides are equivalent to each other. And then we have an equilateral triangle here. What's really cool about this app is you can change the colors of the shapes, which is always kind of fun. And if you go down here, you can find awesome puzzles for your child to build using the shapes. So let's say you wanted to build a turtle. The turtle looks awesome. I'm going to take this, I'm going to press delete on mine. You can also click on a shape and then press the trash button. So I can start fresh. They can click any shape they want and try to build with it. So if they want to make this with a hexagon, they can fill it in here. Another cool resource is they can take this and drag and turn the shape, which is awesome. And even if they completed a puzzle once, you can encourage them to try a different way of solving it with different shapes that they've used, that they haven't used, I mean. So if they've tried it one way and completed the puzzle, encourage them to try to come up with another way to solve the same puzzle. That would be my challenge for them. So good luck. I think this is an amazing opportunity and awesome resource to use at home, especially with the lessons we're going to be doing in the near future. So have a great time with it. I hope it helps, and I'll talk to you soon.